entrusted to me
as part of the Bangsamoro government
as part of the Bangsamoro government
with utmost dedication,
with utmost dedication,
devotion,
honesty,
justice, integrity, completely devoid of all the evils of governance, especially graft and corruption. I shall protect the legitimate rights and interests of all the people in the area. Strongly fight the proliferation of use of illegal drugs. And other evils of society. And endeavor to promote and sustain peace and security at all times in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region territory, in the entire country. So help me God. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you very much, and warm congratulations to Representative Esmel Cotto Maguindanao and Maguindanao del Sur mayors and vice mayor for the oath of office and oath of model governance.